How to use Teramind review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Teramind is a powerful employee monitoring and productivity tool, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its usefulness or create confusion. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't configure policies correctly. The surprising truth is that default settings may either collect too much data or miss critical insights. Take the time to define monitoring rules that match your goals, whether for productivity, compliance, or security. Another common mistake is ignoring alerts and reports. Teramind provides real-time alerts for risky behavior, productivity drops, or policy violations. Not setting these up means you could miss critical issues until it's too late. Many users also overlook employee communication. Monitoring without transparency can create distrust. Inform employees about policies and explain the purpose of monitoring to maintain morale and compliance. Finally, beginners often skip integrations with other tools. Teramind works well with her security and productivity software. Using integrations optimizes insights and simplifies workflows. In conclusion, using Teramind properly means configuring policies thoughtfully, setting alerts, communicating clearly with employees, and leveraging integrations. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the full benefits of monitoring without unnecessary friction.